Welcome to the Pearl of the Indian Ocean, where ancient Buddhist temples crown mystical rock fortresses. Pristine beaches stretch along turquoise coastlines, and emerald tea plantations carpet misty mountains, while exotic wildlife roams through ancient rainforests. This is Amazing Wonders Travel. And today we're unveiling Sri Lanka's most spectacular hidden destinations that showcase why this teardrop-shaped island nation captivates adventurous souls from around the world. From the legendary rock fortress of Sigiriya to the golden beaches of Bentota, from sacred Buddhist sites in ancient cities to colonial charm in fortified Galle, Sri Lanka offers soul-stirring experiences that blend 2,500 years of civilization with natural wonders beyond imagination. Get ready to discover paradise beaches, ancient kingdoms, and cultural encounters that will awaken your wanderlust and create memories to treasure forever. Don't forget to subscribe to Amazing Wonders Travel and hit that notification bell to join our growing community of explorers discovering the world's most incredible hidden gems. Your next extraordinary Sri Lankan adventure awaits. Sri Lanka was known as Ceylon until 1972 and is the world's leading exporter of Ceylon tea. The island nation has 8 UNESCO World Heritage sites packed into an area smaller than Ireland. Sri Lanka is home to the world's oldest documented tree, over 2,300 years old, and has the highest density of elephants in Asia. The country invented the hospital system and has a 92% literacy rate, while being the first nation to elect a female prime minister. Sri Lanka produces 65% of the world's natural graphite and is the only place where you can find the rare blue sapphire. The island has 26 national parks, protecting incredible biodiversity, while ancient irrigation systems still function after 2,000 years. Sri Lanka's flag is the only national flag featuring a lion, while the country celebrates the world's oldest, continuously celebrated festival, Esala Perahera. The island nation has over 430 bird species and more leopards per square kilometer than anywhere else on Earth. Send the legendary Lion Rock, where ancient King Kassapa built a spectacular palace fortress atop a 660-foot granite monolith. While stunning frescoes and mirror walls preserve artistic mastery from the 5th century. The UNESCO World Heritage Site features elaborate water gardens and fountains, while the famous Sigiriya frescoes showcase celestial maidens in vibrant colors. The dramatic approach includes carved lion paws, while ancient graffiti on mirror walls demonstrates visitor appreciation throughout centuries. The Summit Palace ruins reveal sophisticated urban planning, while surrounding landscapes provide panoramic views across ancient kingdoms. Traditional villages nearby preserve rural Sri Lankan culture, while archaeological significance rivals any World Heritage Site. The engineering marvels include hydraulic systems, while artistic treasures demonstrate ancient sophistication. This ancient wonder combines architectural innovation with natural beauty, creating quintessential Sri Lankan historical experiences that showcase the island's golden age of civilization. Explore Sri Lanka's first capital, where magnificent Buddhist monuments preserve 2,500 years of continuous worship, while massive stupas and the sacred Bo tree create spiritual experiences of profound significance. The UNESCO World Heritage Sacred City spans vast areas, while the Sri Maha Bodhi tree, grown from Buddha's enlightenment tree, remains the world's oldest historically documented tree. Massive dagobas, including Ruwan Welisaya, demonstrate ancient engineering, while intricate stone carvings showcase artistic mastery. The ancient irrigation tanks, called Wiwa, still function, while ruins reveal sophisticated urban planning. Traditional pilgrims maintain religious practices, while archaeological treasures demonstrate early Buddhist civilization. The sacred atmosphere includes active monasteries, while traditional almsgiving ceremonies continue unchanged. Ancient hospitals and universities demonstrate advanced civilization, while traditional crafts preserve cultural heritage. This sacred city combines spiritual significance with archaeological wonder, creating transformative experiences in Buddhism's most important pilgrimage destination outside India. Journey through Sri Lanka's medieval capital, where magnificent stone sculptures and elaborate palace ruins showcase the island's golden age, while pristine lakes reflect ancient monuments in perfect harmony. The UNESCO World Heritage Site features the incredible Galvihara rock sculptures, while the Lotus Pond demonstrates sophisticated hydraulic engineering. Traditional village life continues around ancient ruins, while bicycle tours provide eco-friendly exploration of sprawling archaeological sites. The Royal Palace complex reveals sophisticated architecture, while traditional crafts demonstrate contemporary artistic heritage. Ancient irrigation systems create artificial lakes, while traditional fishing provides authentic cultural encounters. The quadrangle contains numerous monuments, while traditional festivals recreate royal ceremonies. Ancient hospitals demonstrate advanced medical knowledge, while traditional markets showcase local agriculture and handicrafts. This medieval wonder combines archaeological significance with natural beauty, creating comprehensive historical experiences in Sri Lanka's most perfectly preserved ancient city. Discover Sri Lanka's last royal capital, where the sacred temple of the Tooth House is Buddhism's most precious relic. While traditional Kandyan culture preserves royal heritage amid misty central highlands. The UNESCO World Heritage City surrounds the sacred Kandy Lake, while traditional architecture demonstrates distinctive hill country style. The famous Esala Perahera festival features elaborate elephant processions, while traditional Kandyan dancing preserves classical Sri Lankan arts. Traditional crafts include wood carving and brasswork, while traditional markets showcase central Highland specialties, including spices and tea. The Royal Botanical Gardens display incredible biodiversity, while traditional accommodation includes colonial-era hotels. Traditional temples preserve Buddhist heritage, while traditional music demonstrates cultural continuity. The surrounding hills provide hiking opportunities, while traditional villages offer authentic cultural encounters. This cultural capital combines spiritual significance with artistic beauty, creating quintessential Sri Lankan Highland experiences that preserve the island's royal heritage and traditional culture. Ascend to Sri Lanka's most spectacular cave temple complex, where 5 magnificent caves contain over 150 Buddha statues and extensive murals creating the island's largest collection of ancient religious art. The UNESCO World Heritage Site spans 2,100 years of continuous worship, while intricate ceiling paintings demonstrate artistic mastery across different historical periods. The Golden Temple entrance provides dramatic approach, while ancient inscriptions preserve historical records. Each cave contains unique artistic treasures, while traditional pilgrims maintain spiritual practices. The panoramic views include ancient Sigiriya, while traditional monks preserve religious heritage. Traditional festivals create religious celebrations, while archaeological significance demonstrates continuous Buddhist culture. The cave architecture utilizes natural formations, while traditional crafts showcase contemporary artistic heritage. This sacred complex combines spiritual significance with artistic beauty, creating profound religious experiences in Sri Lanka's most important cave temple. Explore the perfectly preserved Dutch colonial fortress, where European architecture meets tropical charm, while ancient ramparts overlook the Indian Ocean in Sri Lanka's most romantic coastal setting. The UNESCO World Heritage Fort contains boutique hotels within colonial buildings, while traditional lighthouse warns approaching vessels. The cobblestone streets preserve European planning, while traditional Sri Lankan culture thrives within fortress walls. Traditional crafts include lace making, while modern galleries showcase contemporary art. The dramatic coastline provides spectacular sunset viewing, while traditional markets offer local specialties. Colonial churches demonstrate European influence, while traditional temples preserve local heritage. The atmospheric streets invite leisurely exploration, while traditional restaurants serve fusion cuisine combining Dutch, Portuguese, and Sri Lankan influences. This colonial jewel combines architectural preservation with coastal beauty, creating unique cultural experiences that showcase Sri Lanka's diverse colonial heritage. Venture into Sri Lanka's premier wildlife sanctuary, where the world's highest density of leopards prowls through diverse ecosystems, while ancient Buddhist monasteries add cultural significance to pristine wilderness. The massive park protects elephants, sloth bears, and over 215 bird species, while traditional safari experiences provide incredible wildlife encounters. The dramatic landscape includes coastline, grasslands, and forests, while ancient Sithilpawa Monastery demonstrates early Buddhist civilization. Traditional jeep safaris reveal diverse wildlife, while traditional guides share ecological knowledge. The seasonal migrations create spectacular wildlife viewing, while traditional camping provides authentic wilderness experiences. Ancient rock paintings preserve historical heritage, while traditional crafts demonstrate local artistry. The pristine beaches within park boundaries remain untouched, while traditional fishing villages preserve maritime culture. This wildlife paradise combines natural beauty with cultural heritage, creating transformative experiences in Sri Lanka's most spectacular national park. Discover Sri Lanka's elephant paradise, where massive herds roam freely through grasslands, while the spectacular Udawalawe Reservoir provides dramatic backdrop to incredible wildlife encounters. The park protects over 400 elephants, while diverse bird species include endemic varieties and migrants. Traditional safari experiences reveal wildlife behavior, while traditional guides provide ecological insights. The dramatic landscape includes ancient hills, while traditional villages demonstrate rural Sri Lankan culture. The nearby elephant transit home rescues orphaned elephants, while traditional crafts showcase local artistic heritage. Traditional accommodation ranges from luxury to eco-friendly options, while traditional cuisine features local specialties. The reservoir provides scenic beauty, while traditional fishing demonstrates sustainable practices. Ancient archaeological sites add historical significance, while traditional festivals celebrate conservation efforts. This wildlife sanctuary combines natural beauty with conservation success, creating meaningful experiences in Sri Lanka's most successful elephant conservation area. Escape to Sri Lanka's Little England, where emerald tea plantations carpet mountain slopes, while colonial architecture preserves British heritage in tropical highlands, creating unique cultural fusion. The cool climate provides respite from coastal heat, while traditional tea factories demonstrate world-famous Ceylon tea production. Spectacular scenery includes pristine lakes and mountain peaks, while traditional markets showcase Highland agriculture. The colonial architecture includes grand hotels, while traditional tea estates offer plantation experiences and cultural encounters. Hiking trails reveal spectacular mountain scenery, while traditional villages preserve Highland culture and authentic lifestyles. The famous seasonal flowers bloom spectacularly, while traditional crafts showcase mountain artistry. Golf courses provide recreation, while traditional festivals celebrate harvest seasons and cultural heritage. This mountain retreat combines natural beauty with colonial heritage, creating unique experiences in Sri Lanka's most distinctive highland destination. Undertake the sacred pilgrimage to Sri Lanka's most revered mountain, where the mysterious footprint at the summit holds significance. For 4 major religions, while sunrise rewards challenging climbs. The 7,359-foot peak attracts pilgrims year-round, while traditional climbing season creates spectacular cultural experiences. The challenging ascent includes thousands of steps, while traditional rest stations provide refreshment and cultural encounters. The summit footprint represents Buddha, Shiva, Adam, or Saint. Thomas, while spectacular sunrise views justify nighttime climbs. Traditional pilgrims demonstrate diverse religious practices, while traditional accommodation provides authentic mountain experiences. The dramatic landscape includes pristine wilderness, while traditional villages preserve mountain culture. Ancient pilgrimage routes preserve historical significance, while traditional festivals celebrate religious heritage. This sacred mountain combines spiritual significance with natural beauty, creating transformative experiences at Sri Lanka's most important pilgrimage destination. Relax on Sri Lanka's premier beach destination, where golden sand meets turquoise waters, while traditional fishing culture mingles with luxury resort experiences along pristine southwestern coastline. The beautiful beach stretches for miles, while traditional outrigger boats provide scenic transportation. Water sports include surfing and diving, while traditional Ayurvedic spas provide therapeutic treatments. The nearby Bentota River offers mangrove exploration, while traditional boat trips reveal diverse ecosystems. Traditional fishing villages preserve authentic maritime culture, while luxury resorts provide world-class accommodation. Traditional markets showcase coastal specialties, while traditional restaurants serve fresh seafood with spectacular ocean views. The dramatic coastline includes pristine coves, while traditional crafts demonstrate local artistry. This coastal paradise combines natural beauty with cultural authenticity, creating perfect tropical experiences on Sri Lanka's most beautiful beach destination. Discover Sri Lanka's whale-watching capital, where blue whales and spinnaker dolphins create spectacular marine encounters, while pristine beaches provide perfect tropical relaxation. The seasonal whale migrations attract international visitors, while traditional fishing boats provide authentic ocean experiences. The beautiful Crescent Beach offers perfect swimming, while traditional coconut trees provide natural shade. Traditional fishing culture demonstrates sustainable practices, while traditional restaurants serve incredibly fresh seafood. The dramatic coastline includes scenic viewpoints, while traditional accommodation ranges from budget to boutique options. Traditional boat trips reveal marine diversity, while traditional markets showcase coastal specialties. The relaxed atmosphere encourages extended stays, while traditional festivals celebrate maritime heritage. This coastal gem combines marine wildlife with the beach beauty, creating unforgettable experiences on Sri Lanka's most spectacular whale-watching destination. Experience Sri Lanka's most scenic hill station, where dramatic mountain landscapes include the famous 9-Arch Bridge. while tea plantations and traditional villages create perfect Highland adventures. The spectacular railway journey ranks among world's most beautiful, while traditional accommodation includes converted train carriages. The famous Yala Gap provides panoramic views, while challenging hikes reveal spectacular mountain scenery. Traditional tea estates offer plantation experiences, while traditional villages preserve Highland culture and authentic lifestyles. The iconic Nine-Arch Bridge creates perfect photography, while traditional markets showcase mountain agriculture and local specialties. Traditional hiking trails include Little Adams Peak, while traditional crafts demonstrate mountain artistry. The cool climate provides perfect hiking conditions, while traditional restaurants serve Highland cuisine with spectacular views. This mountain paradise combines natural beauty with cultural authenticity, creating quintessential Sri Lankan Highland experiences. Venture into Sri Lanka's last remaining pristine rainforest, where UNESCO World Heritage status protects incredible biodiversity. While endemic species create unique wildlife encounters in ancient ecosystems. The primeval forest contains 60% endemic trees, while rare birds include endemic species found nowhere else on Earth. Traditional guided walks reveal incredible biodiversity, while traditional knowledge preserves ecological understanding. The pristine streams provide refreshing swimming, while traditional villages demonstrate sustainable forest relationships. Traditional research stations study biodiversity, while traditional crafts utilize forest materials sustainably. The challenging terrain requires guided exploration, while traditional accommodation provides authentic forest experiences. Ancient trees include massive specimens, while traditional festivals celebrate forest heritage. This ecological treasure combines natural wonder with conservation success, creating transformative experiences in Sri Lanka's most important biodiversity hotspot. Explore Sri Lanka's vibrant capital, where colonial architecture meets modern development, while diverse cultures create incredible culinary fusion and dynamic urban energy throughout this bustling metropolis. The historic Fort District preserves colonial buildings, while traditional markets offer authentic shopping experiences. Traditional temples demonstrate religious diversity, while modern shopping centers provide contemporary experiences. The dramatic coastline includes urban beaches, while traditional crafts showcase metropolitan artistry. Traditional cuisine represents island-wide specialties, while traditional festivals celebrate cultural diversity. The efficient transportation includes traditional three-wheelers, while traditional accommodation ranges from colonial hotels to modern facilities. Traditional galleries preserve artistic heritage, while modern developments create urban sophistication. This dynamic capital combines historical preservation with contemporary development, creating comprehensive Sri Lankan urban experiences. Discover Sri Lanka's eastern jewel, where pristine beaches meet one of the world's finest natural harbors, while ancient temples preserve Tamil heritage in this historically significant coastal city. The magnificent Konaswaram temple perches dramatically on cliff edges, while traditional festivals create spectacular religious celebrations. The pristine beaches include Nilaveli and Upuveli, while traditional fishing demonstrates authentic maritime culture. The natural harbor attracts diverse marine life, while traditional diving reveals coral reefs and shipwrecks. Traditional markets showcase Eastern specialties, while traditional accommodation includes beachfront options. The diverse religious heritage includes Hindu, Buddhist, and Christian sites, while traditional crafts demonstrate Tamil artistry. Hot springs provide therapeutic experiences, while traditional cuisine features Eastern Sri Lankan specialties. This coastal treasure combines natural beauty with cultural diversity, creating authentic Eastern Sri Lankan experiences. Witness Sri Lanka's remarkable elephant conservation success, where orphaned elephants receive care, while visitors observe natural behavior in the world's largest captive elephant herd. The daily bathing rituals in the Maha Oya River create spectacular viewing opportunities, while traditional feeding times demonstrate elephant care. The conservation program successfully breeds elephants, while traditional papermaking utilizes elephant dung sustainably. Traditional villages nearby preserve rural culture, while traditional markets showcase local handicrafts and specialties. The educational programs demonstrate conservation importance, while traditional accommodation provides authentic experiences. Traditional crafts include elephant-themed items, while traditional festivals celebrate conservation achievements. The scenic location includes river views, while traditional restaurants serve local cuisine with conservation themes. This conservation success combines wildlife protection with educational value, creating meaningful experiences in Sri Lanka's most successful elephant conservation program. Sri Lanka reveals itself as the Indian Ocean's most enchanting island, where ancient Buddhist wisdom meets tropical paradise across landscapes that span from pristine beaches to sacred mountains. From the legendary rock fortress of Sigiriya to the whale-watching paradise of Mirissa, from world-class wildlife encounters in Yala to spiritual journeys up Adam's Peak, Sri Lanka offers transformative experiences that showcase the perfect harmony between 2,500 years of civilization and natural wonders beyond imagination. Thank you for joining Amazing Wonders Travel on this incredible journey through the Pearl of the Indian Ocean. Subscribe and hit that notification bell to become part of our global community, discovering the world's most extraordinary destinations. Share your favorite Sri Lankan destination in the comments and let us know which breathtaking place just earned a permanent spot on your ultimate travel bucket list.